So hello there people on the internet, this is me SVD Medico. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my own PC or my own computer in this video. So as you can see, pretty much this is my computer, and I was having a very nice laptop back in the days when I come back from the school or coaching and do the works, surf on the internet, play some old games on that laptop, because I don't have that much graphics card. I have, you can say, just AMD Radeon graphics. It has only 2 GB graphics, and pretty much you can say 4 GB of RAM and all that. So it was very good for playing old PC games like cricket. I mean, like playing all old games, all old OG games that runs, even it runs San Andreas very smoothly, being a 2 GB graphics laptop. But now I thought to update the laptop to a new gaming laptop. So I just requested my parents to, I don't earn nowadays, but I requested my parents to buy me the laptop. So what I got is a laptop, the Acer laptop, which is having a lot of jam-packed version for gaming. So it is having a lot of things, a lot of features, AI included, and a very excellent performance. If you talk about studying, you can study on this laptop pretty much anytime. You can connect this laptop to Ethernet cable to get more Wi-Fi access. You can play games. That's what I bought my PC for playing games. Obviously, as you can see, I am having old gaming cassettes like this. I have these all cassettes which I DVDs, you can say, not the cassettes. We play all of these OG legendary games on the old versions of the PC. But right now I can say I have a pretty much good gaming setup, because I bought a lot of things with my laptop, like buying new keyboard and mouse, and buying a new gaming monitor for that, for the maximum boost FPS performance, and for having a good ray tracing amount while playing the video game. So what I am playing nowadays is like, I'm playing like the Doom, the Dark Ages. I'm playing like Doom 2016, all the Doom franchise. I'm also playing the games like Mortal Kombat and all those games, and still enjoying all these games, and fulfilling my all the interest, fulfilling my all the fantasies in the video games which I wanted to pursue. So as a student also, and as a little bit part-time gamer, I will just suggest you to buy a nice decent laptop like this one. So you all are, I think, so excited for knowing the specs of my PC. So here are the specs of my PC. So my PC contains like i7 processor, 13th generation one, and it is having the 24 GBs of RAM, and it is also having the nice graphics of NVIDIA RTX 3050, 6 GB of video RAM, which runs all the modern game very pretty much with nice FPS. But if you want to update it, you need to buy a new laptop, or if you are buying a new desktop, then you can upload to 6 GB to 8 GB VRAM, so you can go for it. And being a student or being a gamer, or being completing all your errands, all your topics, that's good. But sometimes you feel that my laptop is not working very perfectly, so you need to install an antivirus also on that. You need to surf the internet and always be ready to not downloading all those malwares or torrents or Trojan viruses. So you need to be very careful with that. And the accessories with my PC is like, you can just say, just look at this one more time. Yeah, come on man, I got this one free for my for listening some musics and all. And I heard this kind of speaker. This one is very smaller one, but it does perform well, so I have no problem. And I am having multiple, if you can just tilt the camera here, you can just see this is the multiple USB connector port, so you can have it, and that is going to be very awesome if you have a lot of accessories to connect. I'm having this, you know, Jabronics microphone. It is a very nice microphone. It's actually for recording videos and all of that. I'm not currently recording it because I'm just shooting this video on my phone. So I will record it later. So that's all, pretty much my whole setup. And the background is not that good, my room is not that, you know, arranged well, so I'm making this video somehow by hook or crooks. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and till then, sabhi ko ram ram. And I will be now presenting a lot of, you know, study videos and a lot of study topic videos on medical science. So stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.